What's going on, everybody? It is your boy, Keron Rose, and we are back with another edition of Digital Hacks brought to you by Flow Business. In this episode, I'm going to be diving into 4 really good reasons why you should be blogging for your business. And again, you're not going to want to miss this because this is such an important piece of content you could be creating for your business to generate leads, sales, and so much more. So let's get into our 4 reasons. Reason number 1. Blogs are the most popular content that is found on the search engines. It doesn't even matter which search engine, whether it is Google, Bing, Yahoo, they are the most popular content that is found on the search engines. So check this out. Let's just say we type in how to make pizza dough. The first pieces of content that come up are recipes, and if we click on them, they actually lead us over to a blog on somebody's website. And if we scroll through, we're gonna see some videos that bring us over to YouTube. But once we move past that, once again, it is all content, it's all blogs that are on people's websites. Blogs are the most popular content that can be found on search engines. And remember, search engines are one of the most important tools that your consumers are using in order to get information and buy products. You want to make sure that you have blog content on your website so when people are conducting their searches, your content is what is showing up. The second reason you want to have blogs as part of your content strategy for your business is because blogs are the quickest consumed content because they allow people to skim through the content, and they allow you to skim in a way that you can't do with video and audio. So let's just say we pull up a blog, we can scroll through to get the exact information we need, and by the time we're done reading the entire blog, we might have allowed 2 or 3 minutes, if that, to surpass, right? So blogs allow for quick consumption of content in a way that video and audio simply cannot. The third reason you want to add blogs to your website is because blogs are going to allow you to engage in what we call search engine optimization. That is going to allow you to essentially increase your chances of being found when your audience is conducting searches via Google or Bing. So if we log into our websites and we create our blogs after we put in all of the information, if you are using a platform like WordPress, we can actually add an SEO tool. The one that I'm using on this website is called Yoast. There's also another tool called Rank Math or All-in-One SEO. All of these tools aid in allowing you to optimize your content to be found by the search engines. So once we do the analysis, it's going to tell us, what the problems are that we need to fix, where could we improve, and once we check off all of the boxes, our blog content will be optimized for the search engines, therefore increasing our ability to be found when our audience is looking for the information that we are providing. And reason number 4 to add a blog to your website is it's going to allow you to be creative and be versatile with adding additional revenue streams to your platform. You could do things like product reviews. You can create ad space on your website, and then you can sell the ad space to people and they'll pay you a monthly fee, and that ad will allow you to give them a clickable link to bring them back to their websites or their products. You can even sign up for Google AdSense, and that works right here in the Caribbean. Sign up for Google AdSense, add the coding to your website, and that will allow Google to run ads on your website. And every single time someone clicks on it, you make a profit from those ads. And Google will mail you out a check once you hit a minimum threshold of $100 per month. That is incredible. So it allows you, your blog is really going to give you additional ways to be able to monetize your website. So I hope those 4 reasons gave you some thought to adding a blog to your website. That's it on this edition of Digital Hacks. My name is Keron Rose. Thanks again to Flow Business, and we will see you in the next edition. Take care.